Lagi na.
Kumuha naman nila sa atin ng pizza, ayun ah.
Baby love.
Yan lang.
It's running. Vlogger ako. Oo nga eh. Kaya nga eh. Okay, let's go. Vlogger mode si Adrian. Blinkers. Headlight blinkers. Bakit? Bay Shang Shang, bay Madi. Okay. Running late. Hi, good morning everyone. So, medyo I'm running late. Supposedly kasi work from home ako, kaya lang it's a sad news for me. For the longest time kasi, in fairness, work from home kami, pero as of yesterday, suspended na ang mga work from home privileges. Mga employees who have been hired from June, I think that was June 2023 and older. So this is the first time I'm again utilizing camera to chronicle my way from home to the office. So please bear with me. when I'm traveling, as much as possible, kapag 25 to 30 kph ang andar ko, that's fine. Kasi with that distance, I'm expecting na a little over half an hour dapat nasa office na ako. Okay, so kaya siguro with this vlog, medyo you will notice medyo I'll be a little in a hurry. But of course, always on the safer side. Ito yung ano, ito yung identity talaga ng ano, public transport. Yung biglang kumakanan-kanan talaga. Yung sasakyan. Hindi talaga sila sanay ng mag-signal muna. Within a reasonable distance. Tendency ng mga public transport talaga, especially here in the Metro Manila sa NCR, when I was studying in college, kasi I studied in Manila. Pagka hindi naman siguro lahat, pero majority of public transport would tend to really just abruptly turn right and pick up a passenger that they see. Siyempre, mabubulaga yung nasa kanan. Kaya kailangan alisto. Always alert. Safe. Distance that you will be able to rock and brake. Okay. Sa bahay na po tayo. It's been basically 5 minutes. 5 minutes na. We started. So I'm targeting sana mga 35 minutes dito na ako sa office. Break. Turn right. Comrades, biker comrades. Actually, I've been seeing a number of people are already utilizing e-bikes to and from their offices. Pero hindi ko siya siguro that too much common for e-bikes kasi medyo pricey. The basic logic dictates na patapos ng e-bike, people might as well just buy, invest on a motorcycle which is cheaper, definitely more reliable, tested. Bike lane again. Safest, syempre bike lane. Right ka lang. Listo lang doon sa mga biglang kumakanan, biglang bulaga sa ano. Kaya nga by law, required e-bikers definitely a helmet. Kasi yung L1, ito yung authorized with LTO for those electrical bicycles, two-wheel. They may use it, pero din lang sa mga bike lanes, even though they don't have a LTO license na section 1 for motorcycles or motorcycle. Basta you're obliged kung duwerte na sa protection, like a helmet. Usually dun ako sa kanan, pero since I'm serious of since I'll try my luck dito, baka hindi din dito traffic. Okay, approaching Provident Village na. Kasi mabagal ako ah. Kasi actually one of the challenge din kapag e-biker ka is the proper utilization of your battery. It can be to throttle happy and just squeeze your way and rev up always. I know, rev up. Talagang throttle. Squeeze. Throttle back. Okay, just past Loyola Heights, approaching the main entrance district to Riverbanks Mall. Okay, bike lane lang tayo. Okay, what's the bike? Parks ng bike. I'm pedaling now. Actually, kaya ng e-bike. Pero, as a biker myself, I see to it that I also pedal and help the electric motor. Especially on inclined pavements. Siguro ito slope nito 3, 2, 4 maybe. So far, based sa aking usual travel, I usually reach the intersection di sa Katipunan if at 15 minutes. It's actually fast or surprisingly okay. So by this time medyo ano na rin eh, 12 minutes and a half pa lang. Wala makasabay ka dito sa motorcycles eh. Oops, naka-stop na, which is good para makapwesto na tayo sa kanan. Okay, yung mga four wheels are already slowing down. Malapit tayo sa intersection. Siguro sa minute dito. Alright. Sakto. Go! Actually, you're not noticing, pero when I'm using the e-bike, I should usually turn my head before I turn or move to the right or left. Manigurado. One of these days, I'll be letting you see what my typical e-bike jersey is whenever I go to work. Definitely a heavy light jacket. Then I have a helmet. My helmet has a blinker under the exterior. For the e-bike na DIY ko, I have a headlight na I am putting into a blinker mode for attention, of course, for speed. Sa rear niya, under the saddle, meron din siyang blinker. Right. So we're now traversing C5, okay, highway, about to cross Pituasan Boulevard. Okay. Dadaanan na rin natin yung Labor Hospital. Okay. So, ang ideal time ko naman reaching the intersection sa EDSA and Tony Serrano is 25 minutes. I do it, which seldomly happens. If I do it earlier or faster, oh, sabihin talagang bike lanes are open. Not much. Siguro it's because a lot of people have already been vacationing, already tendered their vacation leave. Saya next week. Leave na po. Approaching intersection of C5 and Tony Serrano. Kasunod niyan. Ito kasi matandaan. Go ahead, sir. Bagong caterer. Actually, kahapon sinabihan ako ni Ax yung second ko na that maybe should already take the car. Next week definitely I will. Kasi madami ng nakaka-vacation leave siguro. Expectedly, konti yung mga papasok. Eh, kapag konti yung papasok, konti yung number of motorists on the streets. And konti ang motorists on the streets. It's like very driver-friendly. Good way from office without using na. Nandito ako sa Tony Serrano. Usual na ginagawa ko sa left side. Left side ako. Bigyan niya ako kaya lang yung acceleration ng bike ko. So, isa pa pala, no? To all you who are bikers or e-bikers, tandaan po natin yung rule of thumb dyan. If you're using a slower slower vehicle, very low torque expectedly. Please shield. Huwag kayo makipag-unahan. Kaya niyo pong mauna sila sa inyo. Para on the safe side din kayo, safety wise, syempre. Why? So, won't be run over. Definitely. You want the side swipe. Okay? Approaching EDSA. Okay, we just passed 15th Avenue. Okay. Ito yung 13th Avenue. A public transport route. And going to Alameda Basin. Basically, ito ba? I've been using not too much. So, akala na ulit at man later night. Ito, usually traffic dito. Actually, when this road wasn't widened yet, grabe dito. Kasi sobrang grabe. Oh, bunso. Okay. Go na ako ha. Kasi sorry. Kung nyo gagayahin yan. So I will say experience wise, it's safe na. Kung nyo po gagayahin yan. Lapse of judgment yun. I shouldn't get it. Meeting under na yan. Sina? Little more. I have 51.6 volts. Go na. Go. Pag ako naka-cross na rin dito, actually sa left side lang ako. Sa left side. Pero once nasa EDSA, pagkana na ako dun sa parking. Right. Kung Pilipino ka, you should not be asking bakit may motor sa bike niya. Kasi ito sa Metro Manila, napakadami po talaga. Sakyan, there are really quite a number of vehicles using the roads in Metro Manila, especially the roads. Expect vehicles, especially the motorcycle. Then, technically dependent sa bikes, pero anyway, it's fine with me kasi siguro it's good that the government is promoting health awareness by maybe utilizing more bikes by promoting physical activity. Sayang eh. Bikes lang sa daming motorcycle talaga. Which is really not the most popular. One of the really popular means of transport. na po ito. Dati, intersection na yun, talagang puno po ito kahit sa bike lane. Haba, oh. I don't know if you're seeing what I see. Ang ganda yan. Street going to Green Hills. Talagang madami. Usually kapag ganyan kadami, isan kapag walang tao, usually wala naglalakad kasi pasin kumakanan ako para makaiwas dito sa mga motorsiklo na napakadami. Okay, pedal again sa ating inclined plane. Oh, another co-biker. Wala pa siyang electric motor. Dami ganyan. Meron din. Again. Makakita nyo? I think better term dito is two wheels lane. Last night, I fixed my rear brake kasi it's noisy. Since it's not lined. Ngayon, kalakas kumreno. Maybe later just change na. Thank you. That was a good purchase. Sedan driver. Slow down. Meron siguro. Comfort floor kanina. Bilis oh. Wala na talaga oh. Talaga pinataga ako dito. Bilis. Okay. Zero throttle ako. Slowing down. Okay, go. Oops. Again. Guys, go do this. And this. Pero they are quite tolerant sa mga bikers. Siguro one advantage in really pedaling. It's not just for your physical exercise. Psychologically, gives you the privilege of being a biker. A real biker. And you might overlook the fact that you're also a motorist. A motorist. Oh boy. It's just 27 minutes. I don't know. It would be. I might be reaching office a little over 30 minutes lang. We'll see. Itong throttle na to, yung speeds, pwede yung visual baba. Mas bilis. Yung ginagawa yan kasi nga, serving my battery. Because since my e-bike, the battery is not removable, so kasi one time to charge at home, you can charge the office. There's no outlet, and secondly, it seems kakanda ng safety measures yung building management. I can't blame them. Somehow they have to find ways to at least offset the inflation of the usage, maybe more efficient than the rest. Bike works. I can excuse my way. Now boundaries. Okay. I'm now approaching Shaw. Section of Shaw. Okay. What's that noise? Naka-green pero pinapagaw nila yung mga naka-red. This is common in Metro Manila. This is actually reason where there's a need for warm-bodied traffic enforcers. Would always adjust and make changes to ensure the traffic way needing more time across an intersection would be timely provided kasi hindi man laging pareho yung flow ng mga sasakyan, diba? So hindi naman siya okay, sisipag nila yan. So what time is it? It's 8:09. Okay, sila. Go. Late ako pero hindi yata sobrang late. I was thinking late ako ng 15 minutes or more. Pero 30 minutes pa lang. 30 minutes about to turn right na sa that street, pero I think now the street is officially called DM Guevara Street. It was named after the founder of the company I'm working now, Arab Sea. Lag sa akin mamaya if I would have obedient amount of battery. Configuration sa time. Actually, since advance ng 5 minutes, 8:56. Kaya ako, sana. Perks being in the bike. That building is where I go to work. DMG Center. Okay. Good morning. Sila Sir Donald dito. Nakabreak na ata sila. Okay. I'm here. Okay. Turn off. Disconnect. Twist. Turn off. Put into the pocket. Remove my helmet. Turn off. Put my shades. And turn off the camera.